Good day everyone, Ryu here. In this video, I'll be showing you this 2007 Agong commemorative coin. I just get it today. It's supposed to come out last year, but due to the Agong being busy, so that's why it's only available. That's why I only managed to get it. That's why it's only come out this year. Because they need the Agong to attend the open ceremony, but I was busy with other official duty. And here's it. Here's the Agong commemorative coin. And here's the coin card. Let's take a look at how it should look like. If you buy the coin card, this is how it should look like. Let's take a look. This side is the Malay version that is talking about this. Talking about our Agong. I'll leave it like this for 10 seconds for those of you who want to read. If you want to, you can pause the video to read. Just leave it like this for 10 seconds. Let's take a look at the coin. This one is Nordic gold coin. Take a look behind it. This side is English. I also will leave it like this for 10 seconds. If you want to read, you can pause the video to read. Behind here is the technical specification of the coin. As you can see, it's a Nordic gold coin. Size is 30 mm. Weight 8.5 gram. There's 15,000 pieces of coin card. Their issue is on 14 December. Right. Now let's show you the set 2. There's supposed to be a single silver and a single copper. I did try to order those, but because the order is more than the issue, there was a ballot and I only managed to win this set 2. I didn't manage to get the copper and silver, but it doesn't matter since the set 2 have the silver proof and the copper coin to show you all. Let's take a look how it look. Now when you buy is how it look like. It's a leather-like box. Now let's open it. When you buy, make sure it contains these two. It's a cert, and this one is about the history of the Agong. Now, let's take a look at the coin. The coin is definitely very heavy. Hold on, let me check and see the specification. Right, this is 77.76 gram. This is a 50 ringgit copper coin. So I try to adjust it so that you can see. Now let's take a look at the silver proof coin. Normally they make 1 ounce silver coin, but for this issue they come out this is 3 ounce of silver. If you just buy the single silver, it costs 1,000. This set of 2 is 1,200 if you buy directly from Istana Negara. Let's see what the set can tell us. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust the brightness. Okay. The certificate of authenticity with a new government signature. Here's the technical specification of the coin. Silver is a proof light color silver coin. The copper is a matte finish copper coin. Both also is 99.9 composition. 50-50. Yeah, weight 92 for the silver, 77.76 for the copper, 4.77 thickness, both also. And this is also issued on 14 December. This for set 2 there's 500 set. Now this is the same like the one in the coin card. So yeah. Anyway, if you like what I do here, don't forget to give me a like in my YouTube channel, or give me an artwork if you watch this at my Steemit account, at my Steemit. And have a nice day everyone. Goodbye.